Hola amigos, en la lección anterior aprendimos a escribir un artículo sobre animales en extinción y aprendimos a usar la información importante.
What type of animals are Bengal tigers? Bengal tigers belong to the cat family. Where do they live? Bengal tigers live in India. They live in grasslands, subtropical and tropical rainforests, and tropical jungles. What do they eat? They are carnivores. They eat buffalo, deer, wild pigs, and other large mammals. What are their activities? They are nocturnal hunters. They enjoy playing in rivers, lakes, and ponds. They are excellent swimmers. They live alone. Most tigers avoid humans. What are their physical characteristics? They are light orange, and their stripes are brown or black. They have a loud roar.
Today will be an awesome day. Experiences you won't forget. You're here to learn different things, many ways you've never seen. Different style, much more fun. Everybody will have a good time. Knowledge is what you need. If a champ you wanna be, what can be better than this? 'Cause what you need, we gotta hear now. Everybody now sing with me. Take my hand and follow me. 'Cause you are about to see all the things you need to succeed.
Unit 1, Lesson 15. Do animals have routines? Expresarán la rutina de algún animal que les guste utilizando adverbios de frecuencia y de secuencia.
Hola amigos, en esta lección usaremos los adverbios de frecuencia y de secuencia para hablar sobre las rutinas de algunos animales. Recordemos brevemente cuáles son. Comencemos con los adverbios de frecuencia. Estos son aquellas palabras que responden a la pregunta ¿qué tan seguido? Estos son always, siempre, often, a menudo, sometimes, algunas veces, rarely, raramente, seldom, rara vez, hardly ever, casi nunca, never, nunca. Los adverbios de secuencia son las palabras que nos indican el orden en que ocurren las cosas. Algunos de estos son first, primero, then, entonces, after that, después de eso, next, después, finally, finalmente. Let's begin the lesson.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our daily show. As you know, this month is Animal Month at Radio Rebelde. And today, we have a very special program. I would like to invite all our audience to call us so they can share stories about their pets. And it looks like we have a caller on the line. Hello, caller.
Hello, Jerónimo. My name is Ricardo.
Hello, Ricardo. Welcome to our show. Tell us, what pet do you have?
I have a dog, and I love it.
That's good, because rebels love animals. But tell us more about your dog. What is its name? What does it do?
Well, it has no name. I haven't decided yet, but it doesn't matter. I love it. It's a big dog. and it always welcomes me when I arrive at home. It always jumps at me and licks my face. It's always playful, and it sometimes likes to chase its own tail. It usually plays with its ball.
Whoa! It sounds amazing! It looks like you really love your dog. But I think you should really give it a name. Is it a male or a female?
It's a male.
Good. Then what about Rebel? Like a radio station.
Oh, that's a good idea. Rebel. I like how it sounds. Thank you, Geronimo.
No problem. And thank you for calling.
Goodbye.
Bye. And now, let's go with Radio Rebelde's correspondent, Sarasvati, who is visiting an animal reserve. Let's go to her and listen to her report. Sarasvati? Come in, Sara.
Hello, Geronimo. We are at the Balam Animal Reserve, and today we're going to do a special report about jaguars. With me is the reserve manager, Pedro Garcia. Tell me, Pedro, what are jaguars?
Well, Sarah, jaguars are big cats that live in the rainforest. They are the third biggest cat species in the world, and they are solitary animals. They always hunt alone. They often feed on fish and other prey.
How do they hunt?
Well, like many other big cats, first they walk carefully along the ground, where their spotted fur acts as camouflage against the foliage. Then they jump to attack. In this process, they always act silently and slowly. Finally, they kill their prey.
Are they dangerous?
Yes, very dangerous. Jaguars often attack dogs and sometimes people. The Mayas were always very respectful of this animal because of its power.
What does the mother do to take care of her cubs?
Female jaguars always protect their babies. They sometimes build a den, and they often move them from one safe location to another.
That is wonderful. Thank you. But where are the jaguars? Can we see them?
Unfortunately not. These jaguars are very cautious, and they rarely allow themselves to be seen.
Well, that is unfortunate. Thank you again for sharing this with us, Pedro.
No problem. It was my pleasure.
This is Sarasvati Granados, broadcasting live from the Balam Animal Reserve.
Cut! That was good, Sarah.
Thank you. Where is Cristal?
I don't know. She was here a moment ago.
Maybe she went out to explore. Let's go find her.
Okay.
La 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 la. What was that? Hello? It's coming from there. It's a kitty. A pretty kitty. Hello, kitty. What?
Who are you?
You can talk.
Of course, I can.
What are you doing here, little kitty?
I am doing my chores.
Chores? Do you have chores? And I didn't know they could talk. Tell me, kitty, what are your routines?
Well, first I hunt. I need to hunt a frog, and then I have to eat it. After that, I take a shower in the waterfall, and then I explore the area. After that, I play, and finally, I have a nap.
Are you hunting now?
Yes, I am. Do you want to help me?
Sure. What do we do first?
First, we need to think like a frog. Frogs are very intelligent. They always wake up very early, and they are hard to hunt. They sometimes croak during the day. That's how you know they are close. But if you make a noise, They jump away and hide. They are very sneaky. Also, they are always near the water. They occasionally eat crickets, flies, mosquitoes, and other insects. They are usually very alert, so they never show up intentionally. Follow me. We need to be very quiet.
Okay.
Can I help you?
Yes, we're looking for a friend.
Your friend?
Yes, her name is Cristal, and she was with us this morning.
I hope she didn't go into the jungle. It could be dangerous.
Dangerous? Why?
Firstly, because she can get lost. And secondly, because of the wild animals.
Can you help us find her?
Yes, I can. You go down that path, and I will go this way.
Thank you.
Be careful.
There you are. Cristal, we were looking for you. Hola amigos, ¿les gustó la lección? El día de hoy hablamos sobre qué tan seguido y en qué orden hacen ciertas actividades algunos animales. Veamos un ejemplo. Tell me, Pedro, what are jaguars?
They always hunt alone. They often feed on fish and other prey.
How do they hunt?
Well, like many other big cats, first they walk carefully along the ground where their spotted fur acts as camouflage against the foliage. Then they jump to attack. In this process, they always act silently and slowly. Finally, they kill their prey.
Are they dangerous?
Yes, very dangerous. Jaguars often attack dogs and sometimes people. The Mayas were always very respectful of this animal because of its power.
What does the mother do to take care of her cubs?
Female jaguars always protect their babies. They sometimes build a den and they often move them from one safe location to another.
¿Se fijaron? Vamos a hacer un ejercicio para que recuerden cómo se usan los adverbios de frecuencia. Observen los porcentajes y las palabras del recuadro. Coloquen la palabra que corresponde a la frecuencia debajo de cada uno de los porcentajes. Los adverbios son often, always, never, usually y sometimes. Muy bien. Ahora, acomodemos los adverbios de frecuencia del siguiente recuadro en el orden correcto. Never, 0%. Sometimes, 50%. Usually, 75%. Often, 85%. Always, 100%. Ahora, observemos la siguiente tabla y coloquemos los siguientes adverbios en orden. Finally, first, after that, y then. ¡Muy bien! Eso fue todo en esta lección. Nos vemos en la siguiente.